Hello everyone, I am JVN Nehal Mittal and today I'm going to tell you about the programs that we offer in our university. So there are various programs that are there that we are offering like BBA, BCom, MBA. In law we have LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, BA LLB and LLM. So all of these programs have their own outcomes. That is what I'm going to tell you about today. Also, I will give a small gist and a small introduction to the courses that we offer in these programs and the outcomes of these courses as well. So let's go and see what are the programs that we have and what are the outcomes of them. So program outcome. In this, I'm going to cover the law program outcome and the management course program outcome. Law program outcome. The first outcome is legal knowledge and understanding. With help of this outcome, students will be able to display an awareness and understanding of the ethical, social, political and economic context in which the basic concepts, values, principles and rules of the legal system will be there. Second outcome is intellectual skills. To present logical legal arguments, the students will be able to present these by exhibiting the ability to research and critically analyze and apply legal knowledge in the legal program, solving and conflicting perspective. Third outcome is professional skills and practice. So the students will be able to communicate effectively in oral and in writing using language and legal terminology accurately and effectively, such as arguments, pleading, drafting, convincing, and to make the students eligible in the courts, industries, companies, and legal practitioner will be the outcome for the professional practice. Fourth outcome is transferable skills. So the students will be able to demonstrate an ability to organize and prioritize work and engage in effective teamwork. Fifth outcome is employability. In this, the students will be able to demonstrate a willingness to continuously improve skills and abilities through critical self-reflection and evaluation and initiative to find solutions to the issues and problems. Sixth outcome is lawyering skills. So every student who is the graduate will become skilled in legal research, written and oral communication, teamwork, advocacy and problem solving. Seventh legal outcome is critical thinking. So with help of this program, students will be able to explore and explain the substantial and procedural law in which they are made or drafted, and they will be able to think and understand the legislative setup. Next outcome is effective communication. So the students will be able to learn the art of communicating and demonstrating their oral advocacy skills. They will be able to project the facts in a way suitable to the client and power to convince on legal reasoning forms the essence of communication in courts of law. Next, law program outcome is social interaction. So the students will be able to interpret and analyze the legal and social problems, and they will be able to work towards finding solution to these problems by applying the laws, application of laws and regulations. After that, the outcome is effective citizenship. So the students will be able to inculcate values of rights and duties and transfer these values to their real life through legal and judicial process for promoting community welfare. Next law program outcome is professional ethics. So In this, they are able to apply ethical principles and commit to legal professional ethics, responsibilities, and norms of the established legal practices. Second last law program outcome is environment and sustainability. So, students will be able to understand the impact of the professional legal solutions in societal and environmental context and demonstrate the knowledge of and need for sustainable development. Last law program outcome is lifelong learning. So the students will be able to recognize the need for and have the preparation and ability to engage in independent and lifelong learning in broader context of legal change. Law program specific outcome. The first one is that the students will be able to demonstrate knowledge and understanding of substantive and procedural laws, including various legislations and connected rules and regulation. Second, law program specific outcome is drafting, counseling, and negotiation. So, you will be able to develop the skill of drafting or art of framing various plaints, petitions, writ, letters using proper English format with clarity. Students therefore learn the skill of collaboration, negotiation, and counseling for the ethical implementation of legal system. The next is building professionalism. So the students will be able to understand the standard of conduct involved in practice of law and demonstrate values of legal profession. This will inculcate ethical responsibility towards client in a legal system. The last law program specific outcome is development of interpersonal skills. So, this develops the ability to analyze, synthesize, and disseminate large amount of complex and disparate information comprising of legal and non-legal aspects on the working of the entire system. Program specific outcomes. So the first program is LLB. Duration for this program is 3 years and the pattern of this is semester pattern. In this the students will be able to demonstrate that they have the ability to apply a systematic approach to the acquisition of knowledge underpinning concepts and principles. They will understand that they have the ability to deploy a range of subject specific and cognitive and transferable skills. They will also have the ability to evaluate the appropriateness of different approaches in order to solve well defined problems and communicate outcomes in a structured and a clear manner. The students will also be able to identify and discuss the relationship between personal and workplace experience. And last, they will be able to analyze findings from books and journals and other data drawn from the field of study. Also, in this program, initially you are going to study law of contracts, law of torts, human rights law, right to information law, environment law, jurisprudence. So these are the subjects that will be covered initially. You will also go through special contract, company law, English and legal language, principles of labor law, principles of taxation law, property law, and easement. Program specific outcomes for BA LLB, BCom LLB, BB LLB. The duration for this is 5 years and the pattern is of semester pattern. So, in this program, first outcome will be that you will be able to conduct sustained independent research on a self defined topic with limited supervision. The next outcome is that you will be able to critically evaluate and access complex areas of legal knowledge, within a wider social, economic, political, historical, philosophical, ethical, cultural, and environmental context. The next outcome is that you will be able to critically assess law reforms, proposals, and present alternatives. After that, next outcome is that you will be able to present critical arguments, drawing both doctrinal and policy based perspectives from a wider range of sources in both written and oral form. Next outcome is that you will be able to apply legal knowledge to complex problem situations and offer potential solutions within a simulated professional context. Also, in the end, the last one is that you will be able to define, sustain, and critically reflect upon their own learning and practical or professional skill development as autonomous learners. Also, the courses offered in this program are like law of contracts, taught, then there is history, political science, and that will be the political theory, and there is introduction to sociology, there is specific contracts, there is company law, there is principles of labor law, English legal language, Indian society, history. So all of these are covered in this program. So, with help of these courses that are in the law program, you will be able to understand the nature and the scope that are and the essential elements of tort, for of contracts, of labor law, company law, of special contracts. You will be able to differentiate the major terms that are associated to these laws in these fields, like in the field of tort, in the field of contract, in the field of constitution. Also, you will be able to critically analyze the damage and the liability. You will be able to analyze the impact that these laws have on different entities. You will be able to develop knowledge on defamation, malicious prosecution, conspiracy. Also, you will be introduced to the basic principles that govern for contract, and later on in the higher semesters you will have a powerful foundation for your study in the other transactional and related laws. You will also understand the principles that are related to tortious liability, the defenses that are available if there is a tort, and you will also study the specific torts that are against the individual, that are against the property. uh, the judicial proceedings will also come in the picture. You will understand about the Consumer Protection Act, and a lot of knowledge will be gained of these contracts. If you talk about special contracts, your students would be able to acquaint themselves with the knowledge of special contracts, apart from equipping themselves with general principles of contract, and for legal services required in a corporate office, so that they can enhance their relevance as a lawyer in a society. So various it's essential things are there. If you talk about LLB, they will understand the concept of property, the nature that is of the property rights, and the general principles that are governing the transfer of property. You will have a detailed study of the substantive law that is related to sale, mortgage, lease, exchange, gift, and actionable claims will also be undertaken. When we talk about integrated courses, that are the BA LLB, BCom LLB, and BBA LLB, there are subjects like sociology, political science. With help of these kind of subjects, you will be able to define theory and describe the roles in building a sociological knowledge. You will be able to compare and contrast between the basic theoretical orientations. You will be able to describe sociology differs from and similar to the other social sciences. Example of these differences: in political science, you will be able to understand the world, their country, their society, as well as themselves, and have awareness of the ethical problems, social rights, values, responsibility to all, self and to others. And you will be able to understand the different disciplines from the natural and the social sciences to mathematics and art, and you will be able to develop interdisciplinary approaches in thinking and practice. You will think critically, you will follow innovations, you will develop, there will be developments in you for the science and technology. You will be able to demonstrate the personal and organizational entrepreneurship, and you will engage in a lifelong learning for various subjects. With help of constitution, you will understand and describe the areas of criminal justice. You will understand and describe law and society through a critical analysis of the subject. You will be able to understand how our constitution works, what are the amendments in this constitution, what is the process of judicial review, what are the powers of different organs of the government, and how is our power separated, what kind of citizenship we have, what are the fundamental rights, what are the fundamental duties. With help of these subjects, if you talk about BBA, BCom, you will go through economics. With the help of economics, you will demonstrate an advanced and an integrated understanding of political, social, historical, philosophical, and economic context of law. You will be able to identify, engage in the identification, articulation, and critical evaluation of legal theory and implications of the policy. You will also be able to understand the concepts of state. If you talk about constitutional law, you will understand the writ, what is a writ. You will understand the powers that are there of the Supreme Court and the High Court in the writ jurisdiction under Article 32 and 226. You will understand how the society views the crime that are against the woman, that are against the human body and property. You will be able to identify, explain, and apply the principles of criminal law that are covered in the course. These are various uh, objects and outcomes of the subjects that you're going to study in this program. Uh, So for the post-graduation program, we offer LLM with specialization. So there are specialization in criminal law and also in corporate law. With help of this program, you will be able to develop critical thinking, in which you will be enabled to understand depth knowledge of legal system. Also, you will be able to improve research aptitude in view of providing platform by undertaking research projects. You will be able to explore and apply legal knowledge of their specialization in context. Also, you will be able to provide a platform in which you will become academicians and lifelong learners. You will be able to create an awareness and understanding of the ethical, social, political, and economic context in which the basic concepts values, principle, and rules of legal system are competing. Then you will be able to develop logical legal arguments by exhibiting the ability to research and critically analyze and apply legal knowledge in legal program solving and conflicting perspectives of the specialization that you are doing. Last is that you will be able to identify interest in learning and provide and will be able to provide and we will be able to choose the area of your own choice. The courses that are covered in LLM for the criminal branch are research methods, comparative public law, law and justice in globalizing world. Then you will have the specialization in criminology and criminal justice administration. You will have specialization in international criminal law. You will learn about victimology, police law and administration. You will learn about criminal justice and human rights. Also, you will learn about corporate crime. You will be asked to make a dissertation as well. Dissertation will be there for both the specialization for the corporate and for the uh, criminal, both of them. The compulsory courses like research methods and legal writing, comparative public law, law and justice in globalizing world will be there in both of the specializations, be it criminal law specialization or corporate law specialization. So that was all about the law program. Now let's come to the management program outcomes. So the first outcome that I'm going to cover is the BCom program outcome. So with help of this program, BCom, uh, one is able to provide all the industries, banking sectors, insurance companies, financing companies, transport agencies, warehousing, etc., well trained professionals to meet the requirements. So these industries and companies get well trained professionals to meet whatever requirements they have. Then after completing graduation, students can get skills regarding various aspects like marketing manager, selling manager, overall administration abilities of the company. Next outcome is that the students get the capability to make decisions at personal and professional level and will increase after completion of this course. Next ability is that students can independently start up their own business. Also, the students can get through knowledge of finance and commerce. They can get the knowledge of different specializations in accounting, costing, banking, finance. With the practical exposures, it helps the students to stand in an organization. Now, BCom program specific outcome is that the students can get the knowledge, skills, and attitudes during the end of the BCom degree course. By goodness of preparation, they can turn into manager, accountant, management accountant, cost accountant, bank manager, auditor. They can also turn into company secretary, teacher, professor, stock agents, government employments, and so on. Students are also able to prove themselves in different professional exams like CA, CS, CMA, MPSC, UPSC. And also, the students are able to acquire the knowledge, skill in different areas of communication, decision making, innovation, and problem solving in a day to day business activities. Students also gain through systematic and subject skills within various disciplines of finance, auditing and taxation, accounting, management, communication, and computer. Students can also get practical skills to work as accountant, audit assistant, tax consultant, and computer operator, as well as other financial supporting services. Students will learn relevant advanced accounting career skills, applying both quantitative and qualitative knowledge to their future careers in business. They will also be able to do their higher education and can make research in the fields of finance and commerce. Courses that are offered in BCom are like there are various courses of accountancy, then there financial accountancy, there are business statistics and mathematics, there is a financial management, they learn about international trade and finance, and various other subjects like entrepreneurship development and banking and finance is there. So these are the various economics is there. So these are the various subjects that they go through while the program in BCom. So, this program, the BCom program that is offering the courses that I've already told you about, they have a certain outcome as well. These outcomes are this, that you will be enabled with the knowledge in the practical applications of accounting. You will learn the principles and the concepts of accounting, basic concepts of partnership accounting, company accounts, and you will be able to understand the concepts. You will be able to have the knowledge in the practicality of it. You will be able to find out the technical expertise in maintaining the books of account. You will be able to encourage yourself about maintaining the books of account for further reference. Then you will be acquiring new skills on the application of statistical tools, techniques in business decision making, popular quantitative tools used in business, practical exposure on calculation of measures of average, correlation. You will be having the awareness about the capital structure, the theories of capital structure, what is the cost in it, dividends of policies and dividends of model, the working of the capital management. You will be getting aware of the basics of the computer. You will also be able to understand project formulation, entrepreneurship development. You will be able to be aware on various entrepreneurship development programs, EDP schemes, and you will have knowledge of entrepreneurship skills that will make you understand the approaches to attain the goals of the business. You will develop and understand the audit concept, and you will be able to have the basics of computers and how is the computer environment, what is the operating system. You will understand accounting packages like Tally, and you will develop skill and knowledge in applications of internet, in education of commerce, and you will have the you will be familiar with the fundamentals of banking and knowledge of banking operations. You will have the capability for the banking concepts, and knowing these concepts and operations, you will understand and be aware of the banking business and practices. You will also be understanding about regarding the new concepts that is introduced in the banking system, and you will get aware of the microeconomic concepts, and you will apply economic reasoning to solve this business problems. You will be able to understand all these things with the help of the course that is offered in the BCom program. BBA program outcome. So with help of this program, one can have a adequate basic understanding about management education, Also, they can prepare the students to exploit opportunities that are newly created in management profession. They can also train the students in communication skills effectively. Students can develop appropriate skills and make themselves competent and can be self-employed. They can also inculcate entrepreneur skills. Students can work well in teams, including virtual settings. Students can understand finance and other core business content. They can recognize and solve business problems in an ethical manner. Students can communicate business information very professionally. They can also build the department as a center of excellence for imparting high quality management education at the undergraduate level. They can contribute to creation of knowledge by encouraging faculty to engage in research. Students can stimulate an interest in research and initiate them into research methodology. Students can make education accessible across borders of religion, geography, caste, or gender. Students can foster thinking minds that are sensitive to societal needs and issues, with and thus making them good human beings and responsible members of the society that they live in. Students can also provide an environment that facilitates all round development of the personality of the students. Now, BBA program has a specific outcome as well, which are that you can recognize the need to adapt business practices for the opportunities and to the challenges of an evolving global environment. You can also recognize the need to adapt business practices to the opportunities and challenges of an evolving global environment. Then also you can identify, evaluate, analyze, interpret, and apply information to address problems and make reasoned decisions in a business context. You can communicate in a business context in a clear, concise, and coherent and professional manner. You can also demonstrate the understanding and ability to apply professional standards, theory, and research to address business problems within the specific concentration. Now, in this BBA program, the courses that are offered are for the BBA. You have courses like financial accounting, principle of management, various techniques, microeconomics is there, then cost accounting is there, various environmental management and corporate social responsibility is there, marketing is there. You will learn how to do effective communication. Macroeconomics is there. You will learn about taxation, direct and indirect. You will learn about banking and insurance. Then you will learn about various financial managements and accounting related to management, various analysis that are related to financial statements. You will learn about business law. You will learn how to do research. You will learn the strategies that are required for management. You will learn how to make analytics of business, and you will understand the financial markets. You will also be able to understand the advanced financial management. You will understand the sales and distribution in the management. You will understand the services marketing, the direct marketing, the digital marketing that is taking place these days. You will understand the consumer behavior in this. You will understand about the business plans and entrepreneurship. uh, and also you will understand various strategies that are related to marketing, various analytics that are related to marketing. uh, that's all. So, with the courses that will be offered in BBA program, the certain outcomes that will be achieved are you will be understanding the fundamentals and the concepts and the principles of management, and you will be including the basic rules, skills, and functions of the management. You will get familiar with the interactions between the environment, technology, human resources, and organizations in order to achieve high performance. You will be able to compare and contrast different types, roles, and styles of managers across organizations. You will be able to understand different accounting concepts, conventions. You will be able to prepare financial statements, and you will get familiar with the rules that are governing accounting transactions. You will analyze and the financial statements with help of various tools and techniques of accountancy, and you will be able to understand the marketing management, the significance of marketing. You will be able to analyze the relationship between marketing management and the political, economic, legal, and social policies. You will be able to identify the role and the significance of the various elements of marketing mix. You will be able to understand the concepts of marketing in the global environment and its relevance. You will understand about human resource management, the role of human resource management in organizations, and the key concepts and theories of HRM, financial impact of HRM activities, key course concepts of HRM, implications in increasing the diversity and globalization of HRM process. You will be able to understand the maximization of value of a firm. You will be getting a determination of patterns of determining capital structure. You will be assessing the assessment of working capital needs of a firm. You will focus on various decisions of the firm like invest, financing, and dividend. So these are the outcomes that will be covered. Then also the students will get familiar with the basic concepts that are applied in the contemporary management practice, and many of the concepts that are learned while the formation of the subsequent courses in strategy, operations, HRM in subsequent semesters. And you will also be able to appreciate the significance and value of the principles of quantitative techniques, and you will be able to understand the various issues that are involved in collection analysis and arriving at a conclusive. You will be able to understand and appreciate the practical relevance of various basic statistical tools in the field of finance, economics, marketing, human resource, manufacturing, and so on. You will be able to learn how the consumer makes decision, how the firms analyze market demand, how the firms are analyzing the internal cost, how the firms interact in different market structures and make price output decisions. And also you will understand the essentials of IT. You will be able to understand the power of the software tools and the applications of it in a business. You will be enabling to conceptualize various methods and techniques of cost accounting and its application. So also you will be able to have in-depth understanding of the marketing planning process. You will be able to develop and implement integrated marketing strategies for products. You will be able to communicate the ideas through different modes and mediums. You will be able to make memorable presentations professionally, and students will understand different strategies to adopt while communicating with different personalities with different goals. Students will also be able to handle job opportunities successfully, and they will be uh, understanding the Indian banking and insurance sector. They will able to comprehend You will able to comprehend the latest offerings and the day to day operations in banking and insurance. Then you will be able to show analytical skills in short term and long term decision making. You will be acquiring the basic knowledge that is required for application of tools for decision making, and also you will be able to understand the basic provisions of company and the industrial law, and therein after the completion of the course you will be able to understand the legal system that is prevailing into practice. You will also be able to understand the strategic management and the concepts that are related to it, the techniques that are there in the Indian as well as the international context. So that's all for this course. MBA program outcome. So in MBA, that is the Masters in Business Administration. This is a post graduation program, and with help of this program, you will be able to apply knowledge of management theories and practices to solve business problems. You will be able to analyze analytical and critical thinking abilities for database decision making. You will be able to develop value based leadership ability. You will be able to understand, analyze, and communicate global economic, legal, and ethical aspects of business. You will be able to lead themselves, yourselves, and others in the achievement of organizational goals, contributing effectively to a team environment. Also, students will be able to adapt and develop research acumen. You will also be able to determine the entrepreneur skills. Then you will be able to choose the best possible investment decisions for an enterprise. For MBA program specific outcome, you will be able to design business solutions for problem across the various functional domain of management. You will be able to contribute to the growth and development of the society through the research acumen and entrepreneur skills that you will gain, and also you will be equipped with the requisite interpersonal skills and aptitude. That's all. Thank you, students, for the patience that you have shown, and have a great year ahead.